This is the tutorial on how to use VBA on Microsoft Excel. VBA is Visual Basic for Application, a derivative of the Visual Basic programming language developed by Microsoft. So, well, to school starts, here we go, the tutorial on how to use VBA on Microsoft Excel. Firstly, please look at this screen that I have the data about name, per day, and revenue. That's our data. For example, and then after this, on the D column and column D, later we will make it from column D, and then we go to developer. Okay, let's go to developer menu, and then it's coding from general, from seed code. As a general that is connected to the Excel data, so automatically the data will appear if you do this on this coding of developer of from Visual Basic for application. And then go to modules here from project, VBA project, go to modules, and then sub, it's about sub example, it's a sub example, and then enter, and then we will create a type of data. We will the type of data dim a as string, dim a as string, comma b as date, c comma c as currency. Okay, that's the code that we create on VBA for our worksheets of Microsoft Excel. Dim A as string, B as date, and C as currency. So we need to change into the capitalization of ABC. And after this, we need to fill the content here. A is or means A equal sign, the quotation sign equal. A equal to equal. B equal to 08, and then dash 08 dash and 1983 sorry 1982, and C equal to 5 millions. And then we will create range, and open the bracket. We need to check the cell. So the cell starts from D2. Don't forget to add the quotation mark. Okay, from D2, and then close the bracket, points or dot, and value equal sign A. And then after this, enter range, and then D3. Don't forget to use quotation mark, and then close the bracket, point, and then value dot, and then value equal to B, so equal sign and then B. and then range as the third rules, and then cell D4 or D4, and then quotation mark, do not forget, point or dot, value, equal sign, and then C. A has the functions of name. I want to change the name from A equal to Yotna. Sorry. Insert the column control or control column. Assign micro. And then click the example. Because the title on our coding is example. And then click OK. So Microsoft Excel will call the button to make a coding. So if we click the button, coding will appear on your worksheets. Coding that we've created on Visual Basic application will appear here. Okay, from D2, there's name. It's called Yatna. And then that's a date format. On D3, because we've created a date from second column, or from D3, 8, day 8, month 8, and 1982. So you can also change the regional settings from date here. And on C, there's revenue or currency. So currency will do not need the point sign, because the currency will automatically, there's a split from the thousands. From for example, you will see 5,0003 as an million. This is also in millions. Okay, that's the code to know about it as the VBA on Microsoft Excel. Okay, hopefully you can do this practice by yourself, because I also still learn about this function. Maybe how? Maybe I think that you have a questions how to display the results of our code, but there's another cells or another data, but we need to only just one click. The data will copy and then apply on many worksheets or many files. Okay, we will copy the data first and then paste on the situ. So after we will create a situ and then copy into the situ, and then we go again to the coding formulas modules in the VBA. Okay, you can see here that from the first method we need to make some range, and then the rules of dim a as string, p as date, c as currency, and then give it the name. But how when we do it on the next worksheet? So we need to add here as a default index and as object, and we need to type like this worksheet, and then sit to on the brackets with quotation mark and point or dot value and equal to or equal sign a, and then click enter, and then we should prepare this by copying and pasting. Yeah, it's copy paste, Just copy the value here and then paste, and then just change the ABC like this to make a new formula. I think to make the same formula on the new worksheets. Okay, do not forget to add the range here. To add range, sorry. Okay, range of the bracket D2. Don't forget to add the quotation mark on the cells. Okay, so this is the functions, how to create the same formula on the worksheets on the sheet 2 as the new worksheets and the sheet 2. Okay, we just need to copy this and then paste here on the below section. Okay, just different only with the alphabetic A, B, C. Do not forget to change the cell here. It's D2, D3, and D4. Okay, and the value equals to A, B, C. So the value will read the name. The value B will read the dates. And C will read or will display the revenue in currency. And we will go again. We will return to the sheet 1 and copy. Okay. Oh, automatically the result appear on the worksheet 2, and then we will delete it. To check it, we will continue the pattern from sheet 1, and then we will paste on the sheet 2, and then just click OK. The result will appear automatically. Okay. Okay, I think that you can also make some shortcut. So it's about abbreviation. To make this here, we will make abbreviation dim sh as worksheet, set sh as sheet. Okay, as the sheet 2 from Microsoft Excel from our files. And after this, you can also call the data or this code. You can call it and take it into the column of here from the worksheet. Okay, we will delete it. Okay. Okay. So the worksheet until the value will be changed. sh point or dot range and then d2. Okay, then the result will be the same. This is just for abbreviations to make a shortcut of the code to create the same formula on the worksheet 2 or on the sheet 2. Okay, we'll copy and paste. With doing copy and paste, I think that it will easier or faster. Do not forget to add the quotation mark. Once again, we need to paste here on the C value. It's h dot range, and then on the bracket there's a cell, T2, T3, and T4. Then value C. That's the value C. Okay. Oh, you can see. These are abbreviations too. Sorry, there is one error because the color is red. Suppose said is it should choose. I think that we need to change the quotation mark with equal sign. Okay. We need to change it as to as it means sit to. Okay, we will try it. Then delete it. The data on the sit to and the sit one. Just click OK. Okay. From the first sheet and the second sheet. Just by click OK, the result will appear on two sheets from the sheet A and sheet B. It means that from the sheet 1 and the sheet 2, just click one OK. The type of data is worksheet. Okay, that's the result. How to learn about the Visual Basic for applications on Microsoft Excel. You can also add here. Okay, do not forget to end with blah blah blah. Okay, the same result will appear. This is for abbreviations, the code. To make shorter of our code without typing longer. Okay, we will clear it, delete it, just clear and then delete, and just click OK. The result will appear. Okay, it's the same result that appears here on your worksheets. Okay, that's the Microsoft Excel for Visual Basic for applications. How to use it on Microsoft Excel. Because I think that this is coding study. That's a basic coding on Microsoft Excel with Visual Basic for application. I think that you can also try it. And I think that the language program that is used on this micro of Microsoft Excel is by using the Visual Basic for application as the language program. Because the program, yes. Okay, I think enough. Thank you so much. Good luck for trying. See you soon on the next video and bye.